हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम ट्राई करेंगे वायरल मेकअप डॉट्स। उसके पहले हम करेंगे स्किन को प्रेप। उसके लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं मॉइस्चराइज़र। एज यू कैन सी द ग्लो गाइस। हैंड्स को कभी मत भूलना मॉइस्चराइज करना विद द फेस। द सेकेंड आई एम यूजिंग मैट पोरलेस पोरफिल प्राइमर to get a matte look finish makeup. Just massage it, then using a brush to make a dots, the tip of the nose, back tip of the brush, just make a dots guys with the foundation, concealer, blush, contour. Just make the dots. So as you can see, now I am using makeup fixer of Swiss Beauty. Just spraying it on my face. And yes, just blending properly all the product which I have applied on my face: concealer, blush, foundation, contour. Just blend it. We will see does this viral dot hack works or not. Just keep blending until it's get properly blend. So yeah guys, this is the blending result. So for finishing I am just using the Master Chrome Maybelline highlight of golden on my cheeks, just to give a finish on the tip of my nose, and upper lips, and with the fan brush to the chin. Now see the glow guys, very nice glow. Then I am just using a local market eyebrow pencil just to fill my eyebrows. I have natural eyebrows, never do any threading. Then I am doing applying lipstick of NYB, which you will get on purple, which is of